The CEO of UMC tells me nearly half of the patients walking into their ERs or their urgent care clinics, like the ones behind me, are seeking COVID tests. But now, not everyone is being given one, particularly if their symptoms are not severe.
It's extremely high demand, the highest demand that we've ever seen during the pandemic.
Now, UMC is among the clinics across the nation limiting access to COVID tests.
What we're asking the public to do is help us prioritize those patients because we are seeing some very sick and severe cases in the community. So if you're asymptomatic or have mild symptoms, relatively healthy, don't need to see a physician, we're asking you to stay home.
While demand soars, supply of staff is shrinking.
Unfortunately, we're having staff come down with the virus, so it's compressing us on both ends.
Now, Southern Nevadans are turning to private clinics like this one.
It's our phones are ringing all day long.
Where they can get same-day appointments and results in under 2 hours at a cost.
So the cost of our PCR testing is $249.99 per test.
E7 Health doesn't bill insurance, but she says many are bringing their receipts to their insurance companies for possible reimbursement.
So we've at least doubled our business. There's definitely days where we're doing several hundred tests, if not more. We're definitely in a situation where there's been a huge increase in demand for PCR testing because it is very hard to find in this area because of the variant and because of the holidays.
So to reiterate, UMC is limiting and prioritizing their COVID tests at their ERs and urgent care clinics. But there are other clinics in the valley, of course, that are not doing that. The Southern Nevada Health District locations, of course. And you just heard from E7 Health. There's also worksite labs at the Orleans Hotel. They told me they saw a 44% increase in people seeking COVID tests just last week. Revolution Health tells me they're seeing more than threefold the number of patients that they saw just a few weeks ago. And MDX Labs now pushing the window for returning people's results back a day and having their staff pick up more hours, including on weekends, to meet the demand. Reporting live outside of a quick care clinic, I'm Maddie White, Fox 5 News Local, Las Vegas.